When you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found. And don't forget to subscribe.
Looking for the ultimate in blower vacs? Well, here it is, the Ultra Plus from Toro. This top-of-the-line tool has all the great features on Toro's Ultra model, plus a couple you won't find anywhere else. The Ultra Plus gives you 3-in-1 versatility, air speeds up to 250 miles an hour, variable speed airflow control, and easy-to-use blowing attachments. And here's something that you won't get with other blowers, an oscillating nozzle. This nozzle sweeps air back and forth, so you get a wider blowing path on hard surfaces without moving your wrist. It saves time and effort. Another feature that only comes standard on the Ultra Plus, the patented Shred-Zoll shred ring. Working with the large metal impeller, the shred ring reduces up to 97% of your mulched leaves into pieces that are a ½ inch or smaller. And the bottom dump zipper makes emptying the vacuum bag fast and easy. Toro's Ultra Plus blower vac is the top model in Toro's top-rated line. You can't buy a more powerful electric blower vac than a Toro. Check it out. You're going to love it.
Mowing your lawn is far less than half the battle. After that comes the raking, bagging, and hauling. Unless, of course, you have the AGRI-FAB mowing vac attached to your riding lawn tractor. Then you just mow, and you're done. Powered by a Briggs & Stratton engine with integrated safety shutoff, the mowing vac develops an 80-mile-per-hour suction that whisks away clippings, leaves, pine needles, and more before they have a chance to settle into your yard. And with the large 26-bushel, 32-cubic-feet capacity, you'll spend more time mowing and less time dumping. The vented hardtop is both extremely durable and reduces airborne dust and dirt. The versatile design fits over 40 different tractor decks, up to 54 inches wide. Please note that the AGRI-FAB mowing vac is designed for right-hand discharge mower decks only. And if you plan to use it with a zero-turn mower, then the 65640 kit is also required. For a pristine yard in far less than half the time, just hook up the AGRI-FAB mowing vac to your riding lawn tractor. And that's why AGRI-FAB now offers the Video Instruction Guide, or VIG, for the 42-inch tow lawn sweeper. The VIG will show you what to do and when to do it every step of the way. Just click on the Segment 2 video icon below this screen and you'll get started immediately. Superior products and incredible customer service. That's why we can say AGRI-FAB. Lawn care made easy.
GREENWORKS is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful G-Max 40-volt battery provides true gas performance and is able to power multiple tools for a complete yard system. The 40-volt brushless blower vac has a variable speed dial, which offers up to 185 miles per hour and 340 cubic feet per minute of airflow, making cleanup of major debris easy and efficient. The revolutionary brushless motor greatly decreases wear and tear on the unit while giving increased power. The blower-to-vacuum capability provides versatility to get your yard work done without the need for multiple tools. Powerful enough to handle wet and dry leaves, Get longer motor life, longer runtime, more efficiency, less noise, and greater performance. The high-performance G-Max lithium-ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss and is interchangeable with all GreenWorks G-Max 40-volt tools, the industry's largest 40-volt system. No cords, no gas, no oil, no maintenance. GreenWorks. Life gets easier.
Amplify technology, an industry-leading 650 CFM of air volume for the perfect blend of power and control. Introducing Jet from TROY-BILT, the leading-edge leaf blower that lets you take control of the air. Miles per hour or airspeed only makes up part of a blower's effectiveness. Cubic feet per minute, or CFM, is a rating of air volume, or the amount of air, and therefore debris a blower can move. Jet's mixed flow fan design pushes an industry-leading 650 CFM of air volume. This air amplify technology means you have more power and more control over leaves and debris, so you can move it in less time. With Jet's prime, flip, and go starting, you can fire up in 3 easy steps. Just prime, flip, and pull the cord. Or you can completely eliminate pull starts with an optional jump start cordless engine starter, which lets you start with a push of a button. Jet's mixed flow fan creates an inline design which combines stable, balanced operation with an intake that won't grab your clothing. Its variable speed with cruise control allows you to set and maintain your ideal speed with a flip of a lever. And because it's from TROY-BILT, Jet comes with a 2-year limited warranty. TROY-BILT Jet, built to take control of the air, built for life.